for popping in for this month's newsletter. All right, so all of the headwinds from 2023 are seemingly still present here in Q1 of 2024. We have elevated mortgage rates, higher home prices, and record low inventory. It's just all creating this sort of perfect storm of unaffordability. And of course, all anybody's talking about and hoping for is that rates are going to drop. However, when rates do drop, eventually they will drop. I don't think it's going to be later in the year, but they will drop. You better hope that doesn't happen too quickly, because rapidly falling interest rates could cause a huge surge of demand of buyers entering the market, which is going to wipe out any inventory gains and is also going to cause home prices to climb again, right? Simple economics, supply and demand. Demand continues to outpace the housing supply. So how's it going to go this year? Either rates are going to drop really quick and home prices are going to take off again, or rates are going to stay higher for longer and maybe allow inventory to pick up, and eventually those rates will come down. Anyway, we'll see how it comes. Enough of my thoughts and opinion. Let's take a look at the Beacon report of this month. Median home price dropped to $682,000 in February. Interesting, this is sort of following, we talked about this in last month's newsletter, following what happened last year. You saw it come down in the winter months, and then it rose back up in the summer to that $800,000 peak. Probably likely that similar results will happen this year, but we'll see how it goes. All right, next chart, we'll take a look at number of sales. We actually saw an increase to 106. If you look back February of last year, there were 112 sales, according to the Beacon report in February. So again, pretty on par for what we saw in 2023. The next piece we're going to look at is days on market. So sitting at 40, this tends to roll, or at least it always used to, roll with the time of year. Meaning in the summer, days on market would drop, and in the winter, days on market would increase, right? It just took longer to sell houses in the winter, and they didn't sell as quickly or as rapidly. Now, I wanted to look back and show you a couple other charts. Take a look at this one. So this is in November of 2022, the report that Beacon report put out. You can see the sort of flat line of days on market there through the COVID days, right? It's pretty much four for quite a while. See at the tail end of that graph, 2019, that's when COVID happened, and all of a sudden the frenzy began in the market, and the days on market dropped, and homes were just selling so quickly and so rapidly. I think that we're starting to see the data show you, and from what we see in the field, that this is going to go back to a more normal graph, which is going to look like this. Take a look. This is in March of 2019 that Beacon released this report. See how it ebbs and flows? And again, in the winter, homes take longer to sell. In the summer, they go quicker. And it has been this way for years and years and years. So again, after the pandemic, or during the pandemic, we saw homes just flying off the shelf so fast. I think we're moving back towards a more normal market. Buyers are going to take their time. Sellers settle in. It could take a month or two to sell your house, and real estate agents get ready to work it.